How to send money internationally with HSBC UK. Follow these instructions. Log in securely to HSBC UK mobile banking or online banking with your credentials to access international payment and transfer options. From the menu, select Move Money, then choose International Payments to begin the process of sending funds overseas safely. Add a new payee or select one saved. Input recipient's full name, IBAN, and the correct SWIFT BIC code to avoid delays or errors. Choose the country you're sending to and select the preferred currency for the transfer to ensure accurate exchange handling. Enter the amount you wish to send, check the HSBC exchange rate, fees applied, and view estimated arrival time for funds. Review all details including recipient info, amount, fees, currency, and timing. Confirm accuracy before finalizing transfer. Thank you for watching.